enrolled to DP203 modules. So I finished the DP203 modules maybe in 2 weeks. So it helps me grasp the concept on data engineering, and the labs also was very helpful because you get to really execute not just reading the topic, you really practice your learning. So it was really helpful. And then regarding the the virtual training with instructor with Nimisha, I was also amazed by Nimisha because she is a girl and she is expert on data engineering on Azure, and she is very patient answering our questions, and also she really knows the topic well. So it's really helpful for me. And of course the practice exam, it's part of the module that you have the PDF file for the practice exam, and it's much the same with the exam with Microsoft. I think it's the online course, the modules. It really helps me, because you can choose your own time. It's self-paced, so if whenever you have a free time. So I finished my module advanced because I think we're still on day 5, but I get to complete the 11 modules, I think, or 9, I forgot, because I can choose my time, and then I need to finish the exam. I have a target to get the exam by August. So I finished all the labs, and then all the modules, and also the practice exam within 2 weeks. It's all available in the platform, so I get to finish it before the timeline. I think my advice would be to just study hard. Yeah, and listen to the expert, and of course do your learnings. You do your practice, the labs. You have to do it, and you have to really put it to your heart, not just following the modules. You have to really practice it, and then during the when you practice during the exam, in my case, I was asking Namisha always before the days before the exam. I always message her, Namisha, I wanted to ask your clarification on this because I got confused, and yeah, she answers quickly.